just headed over to the Rolex headquarters. The wrist has been getting cold lately. Had the Rolex in for servicing. So excited to get it back. It's the Rolex GMT 2 with the ceramic bezel. This watch is very special to me. Just like the Lambo, has always been one of my goals to get a Rolex, to get a Lambo, and yeah, I've been missing my watch. So taking a drive downtown to go pick up the watch. So let's go. Man, I tell you, every time I drive this car, it's like a vacation. The feeling you get while driving this car, the sounds, the crackles, the acceleration, the looks you get in this car, I love it. Still been shopping around for some rims for the ride, and also some air ride possibly, or lowering springs. It's a building process. We're just enjoying it.
Big dirty burnout, come on.
Big
Come
dirty.
on. You're gonna be on this video.
Tell you one thing though, driving in downtown Toronto is like an obstacle course. You have to watch out for all these potholes, sewers, gaps in the road. Don't want to be ripping off this four-center bumper just yet. This is the Google vehicle in front of us. Maybe we'll be in the Google Maps. Downtown St. Clair, Toronto. The Rolex store is just right up there. So we got the Lambo parked up. Gotta go head into this Rolex store. Hi, I need to pick up my Rolex.
Fantastic, I'll give you this back. And we're just going to wind and set the watch, so it might be a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your copy of the invoice and then your 2-year international service guarantee.
Okay. So just keep this. So service guarantee means that like it's a warranty?
Yeah, but it covers any timekeeping issues with the watch. So for 2 years, if you go to a Rolex affiliate globally, then they'll know that the watch was serviced by Rolex Canada. Like it's had a full factory movement servicing, so if there had been any issues, it's been completely rectified, and it's been through full testing as well. So water testing, timing testing, and power reserve testing.
Awesome. Okay, how much are they?
So
960.50.
Exactly.
If I wanted just like a polish, how much do you guys charge for that?
We could do a complimentary light polish for you if you were to come in a few years' time. If you wanted full refinishing, so as it looks now, the watch has been fully refinished, we would only recommend doing that like once between services, just because it does take really like when it's fully refinished, a slight detrimental. So if you do it too often, you don't want to,
you start losing
or tamper with the shape of the lugs or like the shape of the watch.
So you said you'd do a complimentary in like a couple of years? It would
be a light polish. So just if there was some obvious scratches, we could do that complimentary for you. But the refinishing, if you were only to do that, is around $330.
That's not bad. And then when's the next service due for this?
We say up to every 10 years. So you should be okay for the next 10 years. But you know, maybe it's 7 years if it's stopping or you're having issues. Bring it back in, and
like it should be in a watch winder, right?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily?
Like if you're wearing the watch all the time, then certainly doesn't need to be on a watch winder, and it's okay for the watch to be left as long as you're winding it before you go to wear it again.
Alright, thank you very much. So we got the Rolex watch is finally back. And looking brand new. Dropped by Kensington Market. Beautiful day. Picked up some matching pants for the Lambo at the surplus store I always come to down Kensington. So the way this GMT watch works is that this dial here rotates side to side, and this third hand, which right now it's at the 10 o'clock position. So say you're in another time zone, you can put this, say the time that you're there is 2 o'clock, so you can put this to 2, and then that's how you basically set it. So that would go all the way around, and right now it would be at 2 o'clock at the other country you're in, and as it goes around it will go from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the regular time is the time where your home is. So the GMT is meant for like pilots and stuff like that, or people that travel a lot in different time zones. You can track two different time zones, and then you also have the date there, which tells you the date of the month, and then yeah, so there you have it. That's the Rolex GMT gold, two-tone gold, where all this is 18 karat. Everywhere you see yellow is 18 karat. My first Rolex. I would like to get the all gold one eventually, but we'll see.
You like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's...
So that's it for today's episode, guys. Yeah, stay tuned and subscribe. Follow the journey. Gotta make some money flipping this house. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Gotta make some money. Get on that hustle. Live life. Enjoy life, guys. I'll see you on the next video.